Okay, welcome to iSneak e-learning platform. Today we are going to learn something concerning computer network, and basically under computer network we are going to talk about wireless connection. So students are to know these following objectives, and those objectives that students are to know in this course are the concept of computer network, then wireless connection, and the last one is the primary technologies of wireless connection. So first of all, let's talk about the concept of computer network. What do we think it could be? Now, a computer network is the interconnected computing device that exchange data and share resources with each other. So you can see that they share information with each other either through cabling or through wireless. So you see that the two images are giving the difference between the cables and the wireless. So let's go through wireless connection and the computing network, because that's what we are going to basically learn. So let's talk about wireless connection. We know that it transmits voice or data without cable or wires. So they share information through using the microwaves connection to share their data, their informations, and other relative things that they can share among computers and mobile phones and other devices. So let's take this picture for example. You see that there's multiples of computing or multiples of computers sharing data over the world without cabling. The same applies to the second picture. They are sharing information without cabling, that is using a free wireless connection. So let's look through some primary technologies in wireless connection. So in one, we have one we call cellular connection, and this is the uses of multiple antenna, that the cell tower, the cell towers that we see in our communities, especially mobile network cell towers. They have some antenna that receive the connections and also what then redistribute the connection to the devices to be able to connect to the network. So that is the cell tower, and you can see the antenna on it. And the second picture is displaying how they share the information they receive and they distribute it to other devices through the use of microwaves, and the same apply to the other one. So there's not any cable or wires connected to them, but they're actually using microwaves as a signal but in distributing their network connection. Okay, so when we move forward, we can also talk about another one, which is the second primary technology known as Bluetooth connection. So the Bluetooth is used for a short range wireless voice that communicates a short distance, approximately 33 feet. So it also do not use wires, but they are cableless. So they are able to connect with our headsets, printer, and computing and other kind of devices that accept or that have the Bluetooth connection system in them. So Bluetooth can also distribute information or share information, data, or whatever. So let's see some images here. You see that the Bluetooth is connected to multiple devices, either speaker, it can connect to headset, your computer, your mobile phone, and you can share information at any range within 33 feet when we are connecting this. And the third one is Wi-Fi connection. So when we talk about Wi-Fi connection, Wi-Fi is a wireless fidelity, which is an internet connection that's shared with multiple devices in your home or business. So it helps us to connect to the internet so that we can browse, we can set information, we can upload information, we can download information all over the www with the use of Wi-Fi connection. So let's take some pictures of Wi-Fi connection here. So you can see that the internet is here, the router is here, then the Wi-Fi is connecting to the internet and also sharing it to the device so that the device will be able to connect to the internet. The same applies to the other ones around it. You see that they are all using Wi-Fi and all these things. So I can say that this is where we will end our class. So this is the end for our e-learning. So you can subscribe, also like. Thank you. You're welcome to my platform.